Warren Buffett turned just $100 into over $100 billion. But he didn't do it with luck. He followed a few simple investing rules anyone can use. Let's break them down. Hey everyone, welcome back to Finexa. Today we're diving into the top 5 timeless investing lessons from the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. These aren't complex strategies, just simple, powerful advice that still works. Invest in what you understand. Buffett says, never invest in a business you can't understand. That's why he avoided tech companies early on, because he didn't fully get them. Before investing, make sure you understand how a company makes money. Think long-term. Buffett buys and holds for decades. He once said, "Our favorite holding period is forever." If you're chasing quick profits, you're not investing, you're gambling. Buy great companies at fair prices. Buffett looks for companies with strong brand value, loyal customers, and a competitive edge, also known as a moat. Then he waits for a fair price before buying. Avoid debt. Buffett avoids personal debt, especially credit cards. He once told a student, "If you're smart, you're going to make a lot of money without borrowing. Pay off your high-interest debt before thinking about investing." Be fearful when others are greedy. When everyone's buying like crazy, Buffett waits. And when everyone's panicking, he starts buying. He made billions during crashes because he stayed calm. Invest in yourself. His most underrated advice? The best investment you can make is in yourself. Learn, improve, grow. That's the foundation of smart investing. Which of these Buffett rules will you follow? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more real-world investing tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.